Hello my dear friends and welcome back. In this video, I am going to show you 3 tricks that will help you to find out the formula in your existing Excel sheet. And the third one is my favorite. Let's start with first one. So for this example, I am just going to take this Excel sheet. It contains some formulas over here, and to know that, the first trick is control plus tilde sign. It will automatically expand the cells and show you where the cell has the formula. Okay, and again if you press control tilde, then it will back to the normal. Now second trick is related. Control G, press control G from the keyboard or go to, and just click on the spatial, and you have to just click on the formula and click OK. It will automatically select the cells containing the formula. Then after, for the marking, you can mark it as a yellow or something different. Now let's go with the third trick, and this trick is my favorite one. For this, you just select the cells, go to conditional formatting, and the new one. Over here, come to this formula and just write a single formula, says equal to is formula, and then just give the cell. For me, this is the cell C3 as a reference because we are started from the C3, and the formatting we are just going to say like orange, and okay, and there you go. You can identify easily that this cells are having a formula. If you change, for example, equal to 5 plus 5, then it will automatically update that this cell has also a formula. And that's it for this video. Hope you like this video, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.